I take this opportunity to thank all the sector players from the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, the Ministry of ICT, and the Teacher Service Commission and other MDAs for the support accorded to us so far. This examination is being administered through a multi-agency approach, and I thank all of them, all the players in the sector that are involved in helping us administer a credible examination. Administration of the 2024 Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education examination theory papers and practicals commenced on the 22nd of October and is scheduled to be completed on the 22nd of November 2024. This year, we have 965,501 candidates registered to sit the KCSE examination in 10,754 examination centers countrywide. The centers will be served by 610 distribution centers. The contracted professionals administering the examinations have been well briefed. The administration of the 2024 examinations will be conducted under a multi-agency approach involving the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of ICT, and Teacher Service Commission. All the personnel involved in the examination processes were well briefed on their roles and are ready for the exercise. Any communication on the conduct of the examinations will only come from the Cabinet Secretary, the Principal Secretary, and the CEO, Kenya National Examination Council. To enhance the credibility of the 2024 Kenya secondary examination this year, several innovations have been introduced by NEC that include: 1, the distinct strapping of cartons containing examination materials for morning and afternoon with different colors. You've actually just ensured you've seen that right now. One is blue and one is black. Personalization of the KCSE examination question papers. Securing of all mobile phones in examination centers when the examination is in progress. The phones shall be in a lockable desk outside the examination rooms, and the supervisor will be the custodian of the key. The phones include those of the center managers, the supervisors, the invigilators, the deputy center managers, and any other person within the examination area and its precincts. I particularly wish to reiterate that the use of mobile phones in any examination center when papers are in progress is prohibited, and this must be adhered to without any exception. My ministry, through the Ministry of ICT and the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, will ensure close monitoring. In addition, we are undertaking surveillance on social media and are already taking action against sites that are purporting to have access to examination papers. The ministry confirms that all examination papers are secure and in safe custody, and hence there are no examination materials in circulation as purported. As you've established, all the materials are securely stored here. And that is happening across all the centers in the country. Candidates should therefore continue to make all their final necessary preparations, and any person therefore who is found compromising the integrity of the examination will be dealt with within the law. I also wish to remind the personnel involved in the administration of the examination and teachers on their professional call and urge them to desist from engaging in any activity that may be against the regulations of proper administration of examination. Appropriate legal action will be taken if they are found to abet examination malpractices.